Welcome to my channel. Today, Brett is with me again.
Hi. Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you? ไปไหนมาคะ
ก็ไปนั่งสตาร์บัคกินกาแฟ
Today we're gonna talk about Thai nicknames.
Thai nicknames.
Yes, we go by nicknames most of the time. We don't go by first name. The first name we're gonna use for official stuff like filling out documents and all that.
So generally, there's a few things involved, but they have these books which have all these pieces of words in Sanskrit and Pali that are always have some sort of nice fortuitous meaning. Certain days of the week that the day of birth is kind of category kind of narrows it down. So if you're born on a Wednesday, then you should try to use from the words from this list. And I think sometimes, a lot of times, parents will want to get a monk to help choose at least part of the name.
I got a name from a monk.
So why don't you say, if you don't mind, what's your real name, your Thai name?
Real first name is Siyuda.
Siyuda.
Yeah, that's means a person who lives really long, and I don't want to live that long, so I changed my name.
Okay.
That's why I go by Sarah. Sarah is a name that one of the missionaries.
What does Sarah mean?
Princess.
Sarah means
princess.
It's like that medicine that makes your head pains go away.
Yeah, but this Sarah will give you a headache. I got Sarah from a missionary. So Siyuda.
That would have been funny. You would be like, see you.
Siyuda. Yeah, I think it sounds really old.
What was your Thai nickname when you were a kid?
Nickname Pan.
Pan.
Yeah.
What does Pan mean?
Pan means the fabric. That's like, cotton. Cotton is fire. Right? Pan is like, when we play kite, the thread that we use for playing kite. So that's saipan. Sorry, not play kite. Flying kite.
I said the same thing.
Flying kite, because in Thai we say play kite, len wow. But in English it's like fly the kite, right?
Yeah, there's a good slang idiom in there too about kites, but let's not.
Yeah, but we're not gonna talk about that. That's not.
Send me a message. I'll tell you that one.
Yeah, I mean I'll tell you that one too.
All right, she will too. You might want to hear it from her more. So Pan, I don't think I've met anyone named Pan before.
I mean, it's hard for foreigners to pronounce my Thai nickname too, Pan. And also, I go by Sarah for a long time, so now I actually don't really turn my head for Pan unless it's my dad's calling me. Because my mom,
Most people don't call you that, right?
Yeah, my mom, my sister call me Sarah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think traditionally the reason that the nickname came later, usually it was usually not at birth. It was usually after the kid had started to do something, like some trait. Sometimes some people like Nung is a pretty common nickname for the first child.
Number one, Nung.
Yeah. Sometimes you might hear they might just literally call their kids numbers or small animals, or if they're a chubby baby, there's a few words like that. I think that traditionally the idea was that the nickname was because if there were certain ghosts that if they know your name, they can get you.
Really?
They can kill you. So the nickname was to trick the ghosts.
Just the same way we don't compliment firstborn, right? That they're cute. We have to say they're ugly.
Sometimes they are though.
Oh boy, I mean, but they said that on purpose so that the spirit wouldn't take away.
Yeah, there's a lot of things like that.
We love using the fruits as
Tangmo is pretty common.
Nicknames.
น้ำหวาน
นั่นไม่ใช่ผลไม้ส้ม
ส้ม is pretty common.
Apple.
Orange, apple, yes.
ชมพู่อะ
Yep.
ที่ดาราไง
Oh yeah. อารยา
ชมพู่อารยา
Animal names in Thai. นก
ปลา กุ้ง
is common.
Not ควาย for sure กวาง
Deer.
หมี
Yeah.
เห็นหมีไหม
เคย Gop is frog. Sometimes there's a few gops out there. Male, of course, male is very common.
แมวไม่มีใครชื่อนกแก้วใช่ไหมแต่นกใช่ไหมนกแก้ว คำแก้วไงคำแก้วตกลงคำแก้วคือใคร
ก็คือเบสไง
Should we address them by nickname or first name? Always nickname, right?
I would say it.
unless you make an official announcement or something.
Yeah, if you're
on
writing their
stage.
name or something, you can use their full name if they want. I mean, obviously, it depends on how someone introduces themselves to you.
Yeah.
Generally, you go with the nickname.
Yeah.
If it's formal, you can use the full name if you want. If someone introduces themselves, you can call them Kun so-and-so or whatever.
What's
But
your
that's
nickname?
very formal.
What's your nickname? What's your Thai nickname?
There's a few, but best.
And come
I usually go,
down.
come Gao sometimes to be funny, but
Gao.
best.
You can't even pronounce my nickname right.
Ban.
Now
Go
you
Paul.
do. Now you do, but before.
Well, because
เพราะว่ามันปอปลาแล้วก็มันเป็นโลโทนมันยาก
ยากตรงไหน
ยาก
ไม่ยาก
It sounds so like harsh.
It does, 'cause it's a low tone.
Compare like
When you say low tones in Thai, it sounds like you're kind of depressed. Because what's happening is you're pushing the sound
That's
down so the sound reverberates in your chest cavity. So it's ba.
compare with
It's kind of like you gotta.
It's more like cheerful.
You
when
gotta act.
say
You gotta
it.
push it down where your diaphragm is.
Salah and bye.
Ban.
Yeah. God, sounds
So sad.
so sad.
Yeah.
So we hope you guys learned something today about Thai nicknames.
Yeah. So there's a lot of Thai nicknames. If you know any funny ones, or if you met anyone with like a Z as the name, like a Z, that'd be kind of cool. Well, thanks for watching.
If you have any questions at all, leave them below. We'll be happy to answer them.
Let us
Yes.
know what else you'd like us to talk about.
Okay. Thank you
See you
very
next
much.
time.
Bye bye.